Hi, class. I just opened up your research paper module, and I want to talk about this because it might be a little confusing for you. So, your research paper, the actual assignment is going to be on module 5.5. So, please make sure to look at this. So, here is the actual assignment. Um, so this is what your research paper is going to be. You're going to choose one of these topics to research. You're either going to choose two short stories that were written by one author and discuss the fiction elements that went into writing the pieces. How did the author's life relate to the work? Please note you need to talk about an author from our book read this semester, and the short stories must be different than the ones I assigned, I'm sorry. So that means if you're going to choose this one, you're going to pick any author that we've read who's written short stories. It could be Edgar Allan Poe, it could be Theodore Dreiser, anybody that really excited and interested you. You have to go and find two short stories written by that author different from the ones I've assigned. So you have to do some research. You have to go to the library and look for books that fiction books that this author has written in addition to what we've read. And you're going to do some research, and you're going to go into the library website here and you're going to do research. So I would go into the main database. I'll show you that in a minute to do some research. Your other option is choose one poet that you liked reading about and analyze at least three of his or her poetry. Discuss how his or her life influenced the poems. Please note you need to talk about a poet from our book read this semester, and the poems must be different than the ones I assigned. So that's the criteria. So you only get to choose one of these topics for your assignment. So your paper is due April 29th, and it's going to be available from April 4th to May 1st. So it's not going to be opened until April 4th, the assignment, but I'm just giving you a heads up now. April 4th is Monday. So I'm just opening up the modules right now so you get an idea. All right, so that's going to be the research paper assignment. Now I want to show you something else. In addition to turning that assignment in on April 29th, you're going to turn in drafts of the paper. So draft one is going to be due. Let me show you how this works. So I have this video on how to participate in a workshop. You're going to be workshopping your papers. So you're going to need to upload draft one by April 11th, and you're going to have to respond to two peers by April 13th. And the module is going to stay open until April 15th, but by then you're losing your time here. So draft one, you need to turn in 1 to 3 pages, type double spaced. You need to have at least 3 sources on the works cited page. You can use them for later or not, it's up to you. So that's draft one. I am going to assign 2 peers in this class for you to review. And what is going to happen is on your dashboard, you're going to see their names and you're going to peer review them. So it's 50 points for the peer review, not for the draft itself, of what you say. Like, I'm not going to grade the grammar or anything like that, but it's 50 points for that peer review. And then you're going to submit another draft, which is another 50 points later on, a week later. And that has to be uploaded by April 18th, and it has to be 4 to 5 pages. And you have to respond to 2 peers by April 20th. So that's how this research paper module is going to work. Right now, you should be thinking about which one of the assignments that you want to do. As a matter of fact, I could pretty much open this research paper assignment for you right now so you can take a look at it. So I'll open it up for April 1st. I'll change that in a minute after I do this video. So you should start thinking about who you want to research. So during this assignment, you're going to choose a topic, evaluate sources, take notes, develop a thesis, organize an outline, writing drafts, revise, documenting your sources, and preparing a final draft. Those are all the things that you're going to be doing in this part of the module. Now, you can go into the library website here, and this is a general search, and you can put in either the name of the author, you can put in the title of the works, and you can get articles and books for the author. You can go to our library and do the research in our library, or you can just do it online from the convenience of your home. You can also do advanced search, and you can put in special filters of what it is that you're looking for. If you have difficulty with doing your research, we have this feature here that says Ask a Librarian. So you would click that on, and there's a 24/7 chat. That 24/7 chat will give you a librarian anywhere in this country or this world, and you can do a chat. Or you can schedule an appointment with one of our librarians at PCC, or you can go in person in the actual library, or you can email a librarian. So if you need help doing your research, please use our resources and get the help that you need to do the research for this class, for the library. So all of that should help you put together a really good research paper. And if you have any questions, you can always make an appointment with me during my office hours, and I can go over the paper with you. So this is the research paper module. After this, we're only going to do a final exam. It's not open yet. I won't be opening up the final exam until May 1st. But we're wrapping this up, and I know it's a lot for this semester, but yeah, that's what we're doing. Anyways, that's it for now.